2.5 miles into the hike. There's a uphill and that goes to the Indian village, and this right here is the start to the waterfalls. So you want to take this trail down and head over to the left, and you'll reach the waterfalls. About a mile and a half. It's a tough hike, tons of poison oak. Oh, there's a couple of the salamanders. They're pretty bitchin'. I found them up on top of the trail. I brought him back down here to the water. There he goes. Alright, some bitchin' down here. This part of the hike is really super slow. God, I'm barely moving. But it's best to take your time so you don't step in the water or get your face hit with the poison ivy. And here's another salamander right here. And I want to always make sure I'm not stepping on those guys, as they kind of blend in. So I'm watching where I take my step all the time. But those guys are really neat. It's great to see them out here, you know. There. Okay, right here, there's a fork, and one goes to the right, and one goes to the left. So I went up to the right a little bit. It doesn't look like it's a trail to the waterfall, so I'm gonna go up to the left and see if it's a one. I don't remember water coming out of the one to the right before, that's why it's confusing. But because it rained so much, there's water coming from a different direction. So I think you want to stay to the one to the left. Okay, I have confirmation that I am going the right way because I totally remember this. So, see if I can find that. The other time I went around, so it might be sinking. Oh shit! Yeah, I think I can do this. A little slippery. Okay, it's not so easy with the handicapped leg, but I think I got it. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that was okay. Oh, shit. Okay, I think we're getting close. Okay, I'm here. Oh, shit. Okay. A long hike, like 4.10, and here I am. There's a waterfall. Oh, gorgeous. Rain's coming down a little bit, and it's really neat. Oh. Gosh. Wow. I was hoping there was going to be more water here, but there's not. There's an old mine shaft. See if I can crawl up there. So, I'm actually the only one here too, which is kind of neat. Well, I'm not going to chance it. Wouldn't be a good idea to fall here. Pigeon. Made it. It's pretty cool. Look at this rock. It has seashells in it. Bitchin', you see these rocks all over the place on this hike. It's been a tough hike. It's going to be about I think a 9-mile round trip, and it's been fun. But the mile to the falls and the mile back from the falls to the main trail is tough. It's tough. It's just slow going, and you're gonna get your feet wet. And just take your time because you don't want to slip and fall. But it was worth it going to the falls. Really enjoyed it. Love seeing the salamanders. Also saw alligator lizard. But that was it for no like deer or bobcats or anything. But it's still fun. So make sure you come out and do this hike. Watch out for the poison.